What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay. Hi, my fellow Canvalic good hearts and godsends out there. Welcome back to our channel, Canva Play. If you are new to our channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Simon Goodheart VA, and I am a Canva designer. I am back to share with you another video tutorial. Here, we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. In movies, visual effects enable filmmakers to enhance a story by bringing to life believable characters, worlds, and stunts. Special effects have also been created mechanically on the set through the use of devices such as wires, explosives, and puppets, and by building miniature models to simulate epic scenes such as battles. The same with doing graphic designs. Like a special effect director, we also create effects to bring a design or a photo believable by creating or adding special effects to the subject photo. Are you a Nicolas Cage fan? If not, have you seen the Ghost Rider movie? Or Hunger Games? Or even the Game of Thrones series? I ask you this because it's somehow related to the effect I am going to create today. A design wherein there are lots of actions, a lot of blazes, fires, smoke, and hot kind of scenarios. Without further ado, today I am going to show you how to create a fiery action effect in Canva. Let's get into it and start creating the design. But before that, let me show you the sample that we will create. Let's go to the blank Canva design editor. Drag a photo from photos or uploads. Using the image, here, go to edit image and remove the background. If you're using the Pro version, you can automatically remove the background under edit image. If you are a free user, you can use the free alternative background removers like remove.bg or sticker mule. I will put in the description box below the link to these alternatives. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. To continue, I will position the dragon at the upper right corner of the page. If you notice with the different effects we've done so far from our past tutorial videos, we put a background as a final touch. This time, I will put a background before creating the whole effect. In finding a background, let's go to Photos. And since our special effects that we're going to use in this tutorial is kind of designed using fire and blazes, I'm going to search for this brand code. Type in brand, semicolon, capital B, A, C, dash, small letter O, capital D, small letter P, 7, capital F, small z, capital E, space plus space fire, and then hit enter. Now, I will choose the second photo because of the black and fire combined background. The keyword of this photo, in case you want to know, is fire flames background. Now, using this photo, I will set it as a background here. The next step that I will do is to make the dragon's aura and look as if he's also blazing. How? Using the dragon's image, I will go to edit image and scroll down to find photogenic. Under photogenic, scroll down again, look for vivid here, and under vivid, find Eldar and apply this to the image. As you can see, here's what happened to the look of the image. The image become warm and colorful as if he's being in the middle of a fire scenario. It's not yet done. I will apply another setting to this photo. Using it, go to edit image, scroll down, and find color mix. See all, navigate, and find glow. Change its settings by setting the strength, remain as is, size, remain as is, cut off, we must change it to 0.65. Apply. The color of the dragon became more intensified. I think I need to add more fire effect to make the scenario more complete. So what we're gonna do next is go to photos and let's search for high resolution fire collection on black background. Actually, there are lots of keywords to use, but I prefer to use these collections that you are seeing. These are the collections after taking out the background. I want to get the fire blaze that I will use, and I want that the fire is coming out from the dragon's mouth. And I think this is the one from all of the collections we've seen that matches it. So using this image, I'll go to edit image and remove background. So by using the erase tool, I will erase the other photos and retain just this single one. This. Okay, let me remove the other fire elements. I will make a little erasure on the black portions. Here. Like this. Click done and apply. Now it's perfect. I will apply a setting for this fire photo. Select this photo here. Go to edit image and go to adjust. Apply the settings. Brightness 20. Saturation 40, warmth 100, vibrance 100, highlights 100. If you notice, the colors became more enhanced. Now, I will position it towards the mouth of the dragon. Resize it to make it bigger. I think this is already good to me. For final touch, go to elements and search for blurred dot. Go to graphics And I will choose this red one, resize it bigger, and position it, I think, at the back of the dragon here. Send to back. I will use another color of the blur dot. Resize, let's see the yellow one. Resize it smaller. And I think I will put it inside the dragon's mouth. Here. Like this, yes. What do you think, guys? It's perfect, right? You can also add special effects taken from other icon sites like istockphoto.com or flaticon.com. You can also find these kinds of special photo effects in Canva. Let me color this background to black. You can search them in Elements by using the keyword first, realistic fire. Go to graphics, and it has two realistic elements under this keyword. Here. Now, let's proceed to another keyword element. Search for orange flame illustration. Go to graphics again, and this one. Cool, right? Now, for the third keyword, you can also search for fire icon. Go to graphics again, and this one, fire icon. Now, let's go back to the design. In this design, I will use an overlay which I got from the icon websites that I've mentioned a while ago. I uploaded it here in Canva, and now I will get it from uploads, and I think I will overlay it to the design. Let me resize it, occupy the whole page, and after that, I will send it to back. This is now the look of the design I made. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your Good Art VA. In behalf of Pinky, God Sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.